Hey guys, this is Kato here from Kid Perfect, and here we go in episode 6. Dang it. Dang it, I forgot my emeralds. Dang it. Okay, well, episode 7, I think. And I found a village. It's not a big village, or it's not really... It's rather a small village, actually, but... So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna... Okay, let's turn on Can Fly, because I need to go back to my house. So let's just head straight this way. So, let me actually check my map, because I don't really know where my house is. I'm sorry that I have to turn on Can Fly, but... Where am I? Where am I? Am I on the map? Oh, there we go. So I need to head that way. And then I'll just go back to where I was. So, just keep on going straight, and I should make it there. Yeah, so it's right here. I forgot my emeralds. Which I don't know how I have. I think I have like 10 or 9 or 11 or something. Somewhere around 10. Oh, 14. Oh yeah, because I went mining last episode. Oh yeah, and I haven't got my laser pointer working yet. Because I don't have any batteries. But it looks like it's over here. And it is on an island, so... Yeah, guys, I'm really sorry that I have to turn on Can Fly, but I mean, unless you really want me to swim across this whole thing and make it 20 minutes till I even get my emeralds, and then 40 minutes to get back, which is really boring, then I would just suggest that you go with it. Okay, so I was somewhere up here off the map. The village has got to be around here somewhere. Is that it? Oh wait, I remember that little lava spot. There it is. So let's put up my map, because now I can't see anything. And yeah, so let's get back here, and let's try to restart this video. So. Hey guys, it's Kato here from Kid Perfect. Just kidding, but yeah, so let's go find... First of all, let's just check in these houses. And ow, 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 ow. Oh gosh. What is this guy's profession? I already know that. Acquired items for trade. Oh gosh, but really weird. This guy. Emerald for free bread, it's not worth it. Why do they want everything to trade for an emerald? That's that guy. Nope, I want this guy. I know y'all are rip-offs. I ain't wasting my emeralds on y'all. This guy? Ooh, I might like him. So, this village is kind of a rip-off. Let me go in here. What's in here? Anything? Yeah, let's just see if I can trade something. And after a while, okay, bread. Nope. Farmer, fisherman. I need a fishing rod. That's what I need. What does it take to make a fishing rod? Can I not make it unless I have a crafting table? One of these people. Oh, ooh, it's a butcher. It's a butcher. Butcher, talk to me. Ooh. That's a leather worker, and he's not good. So, just leave every single door open into this guy. They want everything for emeralds. Like, they'll give me an emerald if I give them 20 coal. good deal. Ah, thanks for the emeralds, dude. And you can have the coal. I don't know why you need coal if you're fishing, but you can take it in. So this was kind of a rip-off village, but it's cool just having like these houses here and stuff. And I do have my spawn point set to here. So since I do have keep inventory on, I'm going to go jump off a cliff and make sure that it teleports me back to here. You know what, guys? I'm just going to make this a lot easier. I died. Okay, so it did set. So yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I needed, a crafting table. And I always carry one on me. But the one time I need one, it's not on me. So guys, I'm sorry about the recklessness, but just let me break your house down real fast. And I'm gonna come in here with this nice good old guy here. And I'm going to craft this. I'm going to see what I need to make a fishing rod. 2 string and 3 of that. So next video I'm going to be going fishing, I guess, because you know what, I might have some items back at my house. So I'm going to set this on can fly. And I'm going to fly back to my house. But let's see if I remember. Look out, boss, I look in the top left corner. Ah, I'm close. Oh, that was the luckiest fall ever. Holy cow. Holy cow. Wow. So I cannot find my house for some odd reason. Let me just check my map real fast. I know I'm close. I'm not close. Is this the same map I've always used? My house is supposed to be down here, but now what do I mark it was? There used to be 2 dots, but now there's only 1. What is the 1 dot anyways? Nobody really knows. I don't want that to go back in my hand. Just fall down, get in here. And I don't even know what I came here for. String. 1, 2, I think I needed 3 actually. I think I needed 2 actually. But I told you guys I will be visiting the factory a lot because of this reason. Any sticks? Yeah, give me wood. What pile did that even come from? Oh, this one. Let's see, 1, 2, I think I needed. 3 maybe. I don't know, but I'm gonna go to a crafting table. I don't know where one is. In my house maybe. I'm gonna go fishing on a boat. Yeah, so let's go in here and let's go to the so I needed 2 and 3. So I did have it right the first time. And I need my fishing rod. But I only have a limited amount of times to fish. So it is every time you reel it in. So I'm not going to do that from now on. And I haven't been messing with my pumpkin farm. But I'm gonna go deep sea fishing. So yeah, I'm just gonna, oh, that looks so cool. Is that like new? The little particles that fly off the back. I think some good fishing will be right here, maybe. Stop the boat, stop the boat. So let's throw this baby out. Is it whenever it goes down, you pull it in and you have a chance of getting a fish? Oh, there's a fish. Yes, I got it. Oh, there's splashes. See, this is how I know when a fish is coming. See, like that splash right there? Now one right there. But it'll have a little trail whenever it starts going for it. The trail and stuff is new, but I was just assuming that that fish was coming. Oh, here it is, here it is, here it is. Ah, I didn't get it fast enough. So let's maybe throw it out in the middle of the ocean. Oh, this fish is really into it. I think there's a whole bunch. Oh. Yes, I got it. Yes. This is so addicting. I could do this with the whole episode, bro. Little hoppy fishes. And it's so much more easier than fishing in real life. Here comes a fish. Oh, what? Ah, there's salmons. Salmons, however you say it. I say salmons. Some of you might say salmons. I say salmon. Sit down in a little chair here. Oh, gotta leave for basketball. But I still have a minute. I can catch another fish. Oh no, there's a fish on me. Ah yeah, it's got me another fish. Fishing is the life in Minecraft, yo. I could do this all day. Come on, little fishies.
Yeah. Put your socks and shoes on, bro.
Okay, can I touch this fish real fast?
Yes, catch that fish.
Oh, yeah, there we go. So, yeah, in this 14-minute video, hopefully I'll upload pretty fast, but I got 4 raw fish and a raw salmon. So, let me just go park my boat, and I will see you guys in the next video. Adios, muchachos. Goodbye. There's my house. So, let me just park this right here so I know where it is. Oh no, oh no. And I will see you guys in the next video.